What's up, guys? Just a very short, small review here. Brightlines roof rack crossbars. Got these off Amazon for about $100 shipped. Pretty good quality. Pretty much tell you where they need to go. This side faces front. This is the front one. You got a front and rear. Super easy to install. You'll be seeing it right now on the car. So here's the rear one already installed. Guys, this is super easy. Okay, just got to make sure that the bottom tab is as loose as possible. Then you swing it in like so, and then you tighten up the top Allen head here. Super easy. You got to make sure they're pretty straight on the vehicle. Okay, not crooked. You can eyeball that if you want, or you can use a tape measure, whatever you want, and just distance them accordingly to whatever roof rack system you're going to be using. Super easy. Pretty happy with the product. These fit perfect. You'll see right now. You use your provided little Allen wrench here right on top, and you spin this. You'll see the bottom part start coming up onto the actual bar itself. Nice and tight.